Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on SMS on iPhone. So for you to be able to do that, click on the settings app on your iPhone, then you scroll down a little, then you search for the message app on settings. Then once you find it, then click on it, then you scroll down a little, then you make sure that this particular option is toggle on your messaging app in settings. So it toggles on, so that means whenever you send a message and the iMessage is not available, it will automatically send as SMS when iMessage is not available, and it's written under the caption send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. So once iMessage is unavailable and you send a message, it will automatically send as XMS, and that is it. That is how to turn on SMS on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.